Hey everyone, welcome back. 97 Polaris Trailblazer, 250. What are we changing out? Right here. Fuel shut off. Fuel petcock. Whatever you want to call it. What do you need? A couple of tools to get in here. T20. Where are we here? Where are we here? T20. T20. Phillips. Right there. Now, I don't know if I have to go down and take off this whole air box. It's a fresh air intake, so I might have to undo that. And it is tie strapped right in there. So I'm not sure if I have to get up. Let's see if I can get a shot up underneath there. I'm not sure if I have to pull this whole tube forward. And then I got to get underneath. I'm going to flip the camera. I got to get underneath up in here. There's one there and there's one there. I got to get them out. So this is the start of the video. So let's get going, and I'm going to see if I can get away with leaving this on, but I don't know how to get past that because the shaft comes through for the fuel on, off. Gas tank is already emptied. Fuel line's disconnected. Let's get going. Okay, this is interesting. I didn't know this. It's spring loaded. So I'm just pulling it forward. Well, then it disconnects from the fuel shutoff, which is right there. Because what I did was I brought over my fuel shutoff, and I'm like, well, how does it attach? Does this come off? No, this is it. This whole air box, fresh air intake, stays. Pull this. Pull the fuel shutoff here. Pull it towards you. And, like I said, spring loaded. Aim it down a bit. There's that. I'm going to go underneath, and I'm going to go and undo the two. I'm not even sure what they are. I got to get underneath here and find out. They look like Allen keys. So, okay, next step. Let's get going. Camera view from the right side, and this little green clamp right there I got to get off, and half of the tab is broken, and I pulled out one, and I'll tell you about that in a second, but you got to get this line off in order to get that one out. And I don't know, I'm gonna try pliers, but oh yeah, win-win, winner chicken dinner. And you gotta reach in here and watch out for your spark plug line, spark plug cable. There we go, look at that. That is a win. Come in the right side, one there, and I'm gonna pop that one out right now. Okay, there we go, look at that. I'm using a Torx bit, as you can see, because I don't have an Allen key here, and I'm using a T27, and it came out quite easy. Drop that down. There we go, look at that. Oh, that's why, look at this, it's just falling apart. Oh, that's the short one, but where's the long one? So there's your fuel shutoff with spring loaded. There you go, better view of it. You can see the spring there. And of course, okay, make sure you remove your gasket. This one is the short one, and the long one obviously is broken off inside the tank. And I don't know why. Why are we changing it out? Because this thing leaked. There we go. So this is the old one. Drop the springs down here. Cut that. Somebody cutting the grass next door, that's fine. There's the new one, came in the package, which obviously there's the package right there. And you can see that the long one is in the tank. I don't know if I can fish it out or not. And you got to do this with an empty tank. Oh, I am not. I'm not gonna pull the whole front off to remove the tank to get down into that. So here we go. Let's get. Oh, my camera's out of focus. Why is my camera not focused? Why is my camera out of focus? I have no idea. Did I touch something wrong? Anyway, I don't think you can see it, but look, there it is. There's no way I'm getting that out. We're just leaving it. Okay, refocus my camera, and maybe this is a better shot. There it is. You are not getting that out unless you're pulling the tank, so forget it. I'm not pulling it out. And my camera's back out of focus. And it's back into focus. Okay, after about 15 seconds of messing around, as you can see, going back together. Make sure your gasket's in place. And I'm going to leave that bit on there. That's fine. And I'm using, like I said, using a T27. Is it on the proper one? Okay, now we'll get back on the other side right away here. Going to tighten them up. Okay, fuel line's on. I use the same clamp because, oh, where are we here? Because I don't have anything that small here, so I'm going to have to get a replacement for that one. There we go. Other side. Let's just see if I can get this. Uh-oh. There we go. Gotta pull it. Click it on. There we go. Oops, where's my... Let's get back here. Off. On. Seems to travel. Oh, sorry, reserve. Reserve is down. On. Off. Yeah, there we go. We're all good, right? Okay, that's it. That's like a 10-minute job, if that. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And let's see if we can lighten this picture up a bit. There we go. I'm going to put those two screws back in, and we'll be, wow, we're really weird at the camera today. Sorry about that. Again, Polaris Trailblazer, probably for most Polaris products, that'll work. Anyway, cheers. Thanks for watching.